Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn networking for cybersecurity. Begin by understanding the foundational concepts of networking, such as the OSI model and TCP/IP stack. Familiarize yourself with common protocols like HTTP, DNS, and DHCP. Explore different network topologies and the functions of devices like routers and switches. This fundamental knowledge is crucial for building a strong cybersecurity base. Next, gain practical experience. Practice configuring network devices, including routers and switches, to understand their operational settings. Utilize network analysis tools, such as Wireshark, to inspect traffic and understand data flow. Consider building a small home lab to experiment with different network setups and troubleshoot issues. Hands-on application solidifies theoretical knowledge. Now, focus on the security aspects. Study common network vulnerabilities and how attackers exploit them. Learn to implement security best practices, including strong access controls and encryption. Understand the role of firewalls and intrusion detection systems in protecting networks. This knowledge helps you identify and mitigate potential threats effectively. Finally, consider advanced topics and career progression. Explore cloud networking concepts and software-defined networking, which are increasingly relevant. Pursue industry certifications, such as CompTIA Network Plus or CCNA, to validate your skills. Remember that cybersecurity is an evolving field, so continuously update your knowledge to stay ahead of new threats and technologies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.